I mean, Nvidia was an expensive stock. And when something is expensive, when the littlest thing goes wrong, people's stock's so expensive. It's like there's a lot of lofty assumptions that are built in there. When those assumptions are challenged, then this is the sort of thing that happens. You lose $600 billion in a day.
You really need there to be like massive growth in the future in order to justify that stock price today, that valuation.
You need the expectation of massive growth to justify where the stock is today. And if the stock's going to keep growing, you have to have like a different catalyst above and beyond that. And it's not to say it can't happen. Just because something's really expensive doesn't mean it can't get more expensive. Just because something's already very expensive doesn't mean that there aren't additional catalysts that can drive the value even higher. At the same time, just because something's really cheap and undervalued doesn't mean it can't stay cheap and undervalued forever. There has to be a catalyst. And that's, to me, always the thing. And I guess if there's a big takeaway here, it's like, always ask yourself, what's the catalyst? And if there's not a catalyst, or there's not at least a reasonable catalyst, or all the catalysts that we can think of are already kind of priced in, my constitution is just pass. There's probably something else.